Three muscle cars that were too wild for the streets. Some muscle cars weren't just powerful, they were downright wild. These machines pushed limits so far that they became legends for their intensity, attitude, and raw danger. Today, we're taking a deep dive into three muscle cars that were almost too extreme for the road. 1. 1970 Dodge Challenger RT 426 Hemi. The 1970 Dodge Challenger RT 426 Hemi was built to intimidate everything around it. Its massive stance and bold lines instantly signaled danger. The legendary 426 Hemi engine made this beast truly unforgettable. The engine produced unheard-of power for its time. Dodge engineered it for one purpose: dominance. Drivers felt the explosive force with every tap of the throttle. The Hemi's signature lopey idle made the car sound alive. Its aggressive camshaft profile gave it an unmistakable rhythm. The Challenger RT was one of the most feared cars on the street. It could launch with brutal force thanks to massive torque. The wide rear tires struggled for grip under heavy acceleration. Many owners described the car as terrifying in the best way. Handling required real skill. Not everyone could tame it. The 1970 Challenger design combined muscle and elegance perfectly. Its twin hood scoops added a functional, aggressive touch. Inside, the cockpit wrapped around the driver like a fighter jet. Every gauge and switch felt purposeful. This wasn't a car built for comfort. It was built for adrenaline. On the drag strip, the Hemi Challenger was unstoppable. It routinely destroyed rivals in quarter-mile battles. The car's straight-line performance became legendary. Collectors today consider original Hemi cars extremely valuable. Many surviving examples are treated like sacred artifacts. The Challenger RAET captured the essence of 1970s performance culture. Its look, sound, and power created a timeless identity. Even modern Challengers pay tribute to this icon. The 426 Hemi remains one of the most respected engines ever built. Every rev delivered spine-chilling excitement. No car represented too wild for the streets better than this one. It wasn't built for everyone, only the boldest dared to drive it. Even today, its presence turns heads instantly. People feel its power even standing next to it. The Challenger RT is a perfect example of unrestrained engineering. It remains one of the most legendary muscle cars ever produced. The 1970 Hemi Challenger still defines what wild power truly means. 2. 1969 Camaro ZL1. The 1969 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 is one of the most extreme muscle cars ever made. It was born from Chevrolet's desire to take performance to the next level. The ZL1 featured an all-aluminum 427 big block V8. This engine was originally intended only for racing. It produced absurd power for its size and weight. Official ratings were far below real output. Most experts believe it exceeded 500 horsepower. The aluminum block dramatically reduced weight. This gave the ZL1 incredible acceleration and balance. It wasn't just fast, it was ferocious. The car's lightweight front end made launches unpredictable. At full throttle, it demanded absolute driver focus. Handling the ZL1 felt like riding a wild bull. Only the most skilled drivers could control its power. Chevrolet built just a handful of ZL1 Camaros. This rarity adds to its mythical status. Most were sold to serious racers, not everyday drivers. The ZL1 engine was expensive to build and maintain, but the performance it delivered was unmatched. The sound of the engine was intoxicating. It roared with a violent, high-revving fury. Drag racers quickly recognized its potential. The ZL1 set impressive quarter-mile times with minimal modification. The car was a true factory-built weapon. Even among muscle cars, it stood in a league of its own. The 1969 Camaro body gave it the perfect aggressive look. Its sharp lines and compact dimensions enhanced performance. Owners described the driving experience as raw and overwhelming. The ZL1 was the definition of uncompromising engineering. Collector interest has skyrocketed over the years. Authentic ZL1s now sell for astronomical prices. Many consider it the greatest Camaro ever built. It represents the most extreme end of 1960s muscle. The ZL1 embodies what happens when engineers remove all limits. The 1969 Camaro ZL1 remains a masterpiece of pure American power. 3. 1971 Dodge Charger Super Bee 446 Pack. The 1971 Dodge Charger Super Bee 446 Pack was an animal on the street. Its unique identity combined Dodge aggression with pure drag strip DNA. The 446 Pack engine featured triple two-barrel carburetors. This setup delivered explosive throttle response. Acceleration was instant and powerful. The Super Bee quickly built a reputation for unpredictable speed. The massive 440 block produced monstrous torque. Launching the car required precision and nerve. Too much throttle would instantly overwhelm the rear tires. Drivers who mastered it felt unstoppable. The 1971 Super Bee had bold and angular styling. Its aggressive grille design made it look ready to attack. Bright colors like Hemi orange made the car stand out even more. The car's stance hinted at its performance capabilities. Inside, the interior was functional and tough. Dodge focused on performance, not luxury. The Super Bee badge symbolized no-nonsense muscle. On the drag strip, the six-pack dominated competitors. It delivered times that shocked many racers. The triple carb system gave it a unique, roaring sound. Every gear change felt dramatic and intense. Owners loved the raw and unfiltered driving experience. The Super Bee demanded respect with every rev. Its massive torque made highway pulls effortless. The 446 pack was known for its durability under pressure. Many examples survived years of racing abuse. This durability helped build its legendary status. Collectors now hunt for surviving 1971 Super Bees. Their rarity makes them highly desirable. The car stands as a symbol of pure Mopar aggression. Few cars delivered such a chaotic mix of power and excitement. The Super Bee wasn't built for beginners. It was created for drivers who craved danger and speed. Today, it remains a beloved monster among Mopar fans. The 1971 Charger Super Bee 446 pack embodies wild muscle energy like no other. These three wild machines pushed muscle car engineering to the limit. They weren't designed to be practical. They were built to thrill, intimidate, and dominate. Each one delivered an experience so raw that driving them felt like stepping into another world. Their extreme power made them unforgettable legends. Even decades later, they still capture the imagination of enthusiasts everywhere. Modern cars may be faster, but few match the personality of these beasts. They represent a time when engineers were fearless and creativity had no boundaries. These icons remind us why muscle cars hold a special place in automotive history. True muscle is more than numbers. It's attitude, sound, and soul. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more insane car stories.